Imagine wrapping yourself in the cozy embrace of a warm towel, a luxurious touch that transforms every bath time into a spa-like experience. That's the everyday indulgence of a towel warmer. In this video, we are going to look at the top 5 towel warmers available on the market today and tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best towel warmers. The 5th product on this list is the Live Fine Towel Warmer. It's easy to overlook the value of certain appliances until you experience their day-to-day benefits. Imagine the luxury of stepping out of the shower and into a warm, cozy towel every time. That dream becomes a reality with the Live Fine Towel Warmer. This bucket-style warmer isn't limited to just towels. It's perfect for all your fabric essentials, including small sheets, robes, and blankets. Despite its compact size, it has ample space to accommodate 2 oversized towels. The adjustable timer, ranging from 15 to 60 minutes, means you won't have to wait long for that warm, skin-pampering towel. And the sleek LCD screen and simple button make setting the time effortless. This towel warmer is the epitome of simplicity and convenience. Consider its user-friendly features: a fully removable lid for easy access, a handy handle for mobility, and indicator lights to show when it's on and when the surface is hot. Plus, stabilizing feet ensures it remains steady on any floor type. These features make it a safe and ideal choice for everyone in the family, including your elderly parents or grandparents. Don't miss out on giving them this small luxury. Its pros are: it has a compact yet spacious design, it does not wobble even when loaded, and the lid and upper edges stay cool during operation, ensuring safety. However, we noticed some cold spots, particularly when warming 2 towels simultaneously. The Live Fine Towel Warmer is a great addition for individuals or couples looking to add a touch of coziness to their bathroom routine. Up next in 4th place is the Amba Radiant. If you value not just warming but also drying your towels, then the Amba Radiant should definitely be on your radar. Imagine this: stepping out of the shower and into the embrace of a warm, dry towel or bathrobe. It's a dreamy thought, isn't it? Well, the Radiant collection is here to turn that dream into a reality. Say farewell to cold, damp, smelly towels for good. These towel warmers are like a touch of magic in your bathroom, not only drying and warming your towels, but also keeping them fresher for longer, which means less laundry for you. Here's the really cool part: you can use them in your laundry room, mudroom, or even wet rooms to dry a variety of clothes, from delicate fabrics to rain jackets and bathing suits. Design-wise, this rack-style warmer is simple, functional, and stylish. It's compact enough to fit seamlessly into any bathroom without dominating the space, yet spacious enough to hold the standard-sized bath towel or other smaller items. Unlike some of its counterparts that take longer to heat up, the Amba Radiant gets the job done in about 15 minutes. However, you have the option to extend the heating time for extra warmth, enhancing your at-home spa experience. Its pros are: it has 7 rails to accommodate different small clothing items. It is easy to set up thanks to its user-friendly design, and being made from high-quality stainless steel makes it durable. However, its cons are: it does not have an auto shut-off function, and heating is not consistent on all the rails. Being a rack-style warmer with enough space for smaller clothing items makes Amba Radiant the ideal towel warmer for those looking to add a touch of style and functionality to their bathroom. Still haven't found a towel warmer that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the HEATGENE Wall-Mounted Towel Warmer. If you're a fan of the Amba Radiant Towel Warmer, but need something larger for your household, we have just the thing for you. Meet the HEATGENE Wall-Mounted Towel Warmer, a rack-style towel warmer that's both functional and a worthy investment. Unlike the Amba Radiant, which features 7 rails, this one boasts 10 rails, offering ample space for hanging not just 1 but 2 towels or robes. And the best part? It's available in brushed, matte black, or mirror-polished finishes, so it'll match any bathroom decor effortlessly. You might be wondering about its durability. Rest assured, the HEATGENE is built to last, thanks to its solid multi-layered stainless steel construction. This means you'll enjoy its benefits for years to come. When it comes to heating efficiency, It impresses with a rapid 15-minute warm-up time, reaching up to 110 degrees Fahrenheit, and can hit 130 degrees Fahrenheit in 30 minutes. Even better, it's energy efficient, so you don't have to worry about rising energy bills. Safety is a top priority with this towel warmer. It includes overheating protection for your peace of mind. Besides saving space, it also adds a wire-free minimalist aesthetic to your bathroom. Plus, we've got you covered with a 2-year limited warranty. But it's not all about towels. This warmer is also perfect for gently drying delicate clothes, swimwear, and even speeding up the drying time for coats and gloves. So, if you're looking for a towel warmer that's spacious, stylish, durable, and safe, the HEATGENE wall-mounted towel warmer could be your ideal match. Its pros are: it is energy efficient while ensuring effective humidity control. It has overheating protection, and the heating is designed for optimal performance. However, the location of the on-off switch is a bit awkward to reach. Seeing its high efficiency, durability, space, and minimalist design, the HEATGENE wall-mounted towel warmer will be a worthy addition to any bathroom as long as you desire to turn your daily bath into a spa day. The second product on this list is the Zadro Aromatherapy Towel Warmer. This towel warmer boasts a unique yet minimalist style, making it a perfect addition to bathrooms with modern decor. Imagine the luxury of wrapping yourself or your kids in a warm towel infused with the scent of lavender after a relaxing bath on a chilly day. This luxurious self-care practice is made possible by this towel warmer, right in the comfort of your home. Most notably, it offers an extra-large capacity, accommodating up to 2 oversized towels and a smaller towel simultaneously, as well as bathrobes or throw blankets. Conveniently, it features a timer with 4 options ranging from 15 to 60 minutes, allowing you to choose the perfect duration. Additionally, the auto shut-off function not only ensures safety but also minimizes energy consumption. While many conventional towel warmers on the market suffer from inconsistent heating and cold spots, this unit is a significant step ahead, offering consistent heat throughout. Despite its extra-large capacity, the Zadro Aromatherapy Towel Warmer is surprisingly lightweight and portable, so you can place it anywhere in your home. And when it's not in use, the cord can be neatly tucked away into the built-in cord storage at the base. Its pros are: it comes with lavender essential oil for a spa-like experience at home, it has an ultra-large capacity, and the built-in storage keeps things tidy when you're not warming up. However, its cons are: the base of the warmer becomes unstable if you don't align the power cord properly, and the inner coating may peel off after a while. If you're someone who loves the idea of a spa day at home, enjoys the soothing scent of lavender, and wants warm towels, robes, or blankets at your fingertips, the Zadro Aromatherapy Towel Warmer is for you. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top towel warmer is the EVOKOR Heated Towel Rack. This towel rack stands out in the market with its advanced features and ease of use. It boasts smart controls for different settings, including 3 buttons that specifically control various heating areas. What's more, a long press allows you to set start and stop times, offering you unparalleled convenience. Additionally, it comes with 4 timing options: 2, 4, 6, and 10 hours, providing superior heating timing options compared to other towel warmers we've discussed. But that's just the beginning. Setting the EVOKOR apart from others, it features 3 flat heating areas instead of wire bars, ensuring even heat distribution. The innovative use of graphene as the main heating material not only keeps the temperature consistent, but also ensures lasting durability. When it comes to being eco-friendly and energy efficient, the EVOKOR Heated Towel Rack shines. Constructed with printed carbon and high-quality aluminum, it efficiently produces heat to warm your towels, bathrobes, washcloths, and hand towels. Impressively, it consumes approximately only 1 kilowatt of electricity over 8 hours on average. With these standout features and its ease of installation, the EVOKOR Heated Towel Rack is undoubtedly the best option on the market today for anyone looking to add a touch of luxury and convenience to their bathroom routine. Its pros are: it uses smart touch controls, the large heating area ensures even and quick heating, it is energy saving and environmentally friendly, and the graphene heating material enhances its durability. However, it must be wall mounted, which may not suit everyone. The EVOKOR Heated Towel Rack is for environmentally conscious individuals, who love the idea of smart, efficient warmth in their bathroom and want a towel warmer that will serve them for a long time to come. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.